everybody, got this DeWalt right angle attachment that's impact ready. I've been waiting to use this thing for a while, and let's go ahead and give it a go. So I'm just tried to use this before and it basically just sucked that whole thing in there. This one, because this is magnetic, it's real nice actually. I mean, you can see that's magnetic there, but anyway, that's the one you want to use, something with a little bit of length to it. Doesn't need to have this extension on here, but something that can actually sit down in there. If you try to use one of these bits, you're not going to have anything left to play with. So I had to pull that out with some hemostats. It kind of got stuck in there, but I had to yank it out. Wasn't too bad. It was just a matter of trying to get a grip on it and pull it out because it's magnetic. So really, I'll be operating this thing. This is a two-handed operation. You got to kind of hold it like that and do it like that. Well, one thing that's nice about the magnetic part is, look at, your screw won't fall off. I love that. A lot of Milwaukee stuff is like that too. Oh yeah, let's back it out. Okay, I got a halfway decent test for this thing. Love it. That is great. Okay, guys, thanks for tuning into my video. I appreciate all your comments and your likes and subscribership. This thing's good to have around. I don't know if you use it that often, but it's good to have around when you need it. So if you see one of these on sale, grab it. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. See you on the next one.